need a new friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me. I'm not really looking for a friend, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone not afraid to give it all to me. Get next to me, get next.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel for my favorite type of video. We are going through all of the things that I either bought, just received. By the way, the size of this box is way bigger than it appeared. Like, it's huge. I shared it on stories, and whenever it came in, I opened the front door. I was like, what? And I got a bunch of other parcels this morning that I'm gonna share with you guys. I went to Winners today, and I also am finagling a little DIY project. I'm super excited. And take a wild guess who's here. I need to show you what came in this morning because I'm obsessed with this thing. I bought this for my coaches on my team. So it is a USB, but there's also a adapter for the wall. It's a little ring light. I've been using it all day. I've been going live on my computer. I've been going live on my phone. You can dim it. It's amazing. There's a little swivel head on it. It's incredible. Oh, and there's one of these. So if you need to take a picture, which I just did, self-timer. Not even like just, it presses the button for you. Amazing. Okay. I have also been getting better and better at, this is my work setup, by the way. Like, you know what I love? A good vlog, good behind the scenes, good realistic moment. It has been nonstop today, but like a really good nonstop type of day. So I've got the 3 books that I'm reading right now. I'm reading the new Secret book by Rae Dunn. I've got Girl on Fire, and then I bought this workbook, Feel Your Best workbook, very on brand also. So I've got a lot happening on here. I have been, like I said, getting really good at bullet journaling and a different theme every day. I'm not even kidding, Carl just moved my foot out of the way to get by, like a cat kind of. Look at yesterday's, how cute it was with the rainbow theme. It looked like, I told Andre, it looked like a Care Bear threw up on my bullet journal. I'm just getting better and better at it every day, and I'm loving it. And I'm also developing a system that's working for me to actually achieve my goals that I'm gonna share with you guys. So someone wants to say hello. And yes, this is how I dress in a day, work from home vibes. That ring light was a huge success. The other thing that I got, and I'm gonna open this box with you guys, but I wanna show you my hair stuff that I just got that I wanna talk about because I get a lot of questions about hair. And I'm gonna show you the treasures that I found when we went to Winners today. We went to brunch, as per usual, and Winners is amazing right now. It's never amazing, it's amazing right now. All right, so this little kit came in today. And if you've never heard of this brand, you need to know. So I'm gonna kick this off by saying, hi Carl, I have a discount code for this. It's just Angie B. I don't even know what this is, but I never partner with a company that I'm not obsessed with. And I had bought this whenever I was in the States and it was amazing. I think there's an old video of me actually using it and I was like, what? It is like, if you've ever heard the hype about it, it's worth the hype. So you can get a discount on it if you use the code. I'll put the link down below and all the information. It smells amazing, it is amazing, it is everything and more. It's one of the best quality hair masks I've ever used. And can we just talk about the branding? This is a fresh little bottle that just came in and this goes a long way. So the way that I do it, I'll tell you my secrets. I shampoo my hair first, pull out all of the extra moisture, then comb this through my hair with their Coco and Eve little comb. And then I wrap my hair in the towel. I don't know if this is how you're supposed to do it, it's just how I do it and it works really well. Then I wrap my hair in the towel, I leave it in for as long as I can, honestly, and then I rinse it out. So I don't do the thing where I put it in my hair, then shampoo, then. This is my life. So that it basically gets rinsed out at the end, but it doesn't get washed out, if that makes sense. It's the final step. And then this came with it. So this is a magical hair elixir. So they obviously have a bunch of different products and different bundles, and this was part of the bundle. Tame, Frizz, and Protect. Oh, this is so good, protects your hair. And it's coconut, papaya, and prickly pear, plus hyaluronic acid. What? Yes, okay. So like I said, I have a code for this, I will leave it down below. And then I have to show you my DIY project. I don't wanna forget, because that's a part of this. Let's grab the scissors and go through this huge box that was waiting for me at my front door. By the way, in case you can't see the logo, it's from Michael's. So I went to Michael's. I shared it in a video, in a shop with me video. It's not that big of an order. Like I got a lot of things, but oh my gosh, this is such a wasteful box. Look at how wasteful this box is. You guys, it's ridiculous, but it's because there's this big thing. So listen, I did a, like, I guess you'd call it a blog post. I'm just gonna make myself feel better and call it a blog post, but I did a decoration, Easter decoration finds, and I put everything together, and I put this on it, and I thought, well, if I'm gonna say to get it, I better get it. But you know at Christmas how I have the Mrs. Claus sign in the kitchen? It's like Mrs. Claus's kitchen or Mrs. Claus's cookies or something. Like I always say, Christmas is a blur to me. I don't even know what decorations I own. I thought it would be cute to have a similar like aluminum type of sign in the kitchen that goes across the coffee bar area. Now we wrapped it to go to the moon apparently. It's an aluminum sign, guys. It's not gonna get damaged. Really, like you could put this much care into the other things that you wrap for me that are not usually wrapped, but I'm just saying, how cute is this? It says bunny trail, hop this way. And it's the colors I just loved. And it's the perfect size. It's exactly what I wanted. I feel like it's not looking, no, it looks big, right? It's pretty big. And it was buy one, get one. I always link every single thing that I talk about, I always link it down below so you don't have to go searching. Carl just jumped sky high. Okay, I saw this in the store and I left it. Do you guys ever do that if you're shopping with your husbands? You're like, I don't need that, but I'll buy it online later. So that's what I did. I saw it and I was like, I don't know. It's a jumbo carrot. And I thought in one of my Rae Dunn baskets that I got, I thought just one singular extra large jumbo carrot seated in the basket. So cute. And I'm so excited to show you my DIY project. Anybody can do this DIY. It's not that crazy. It's not like my, whoa. It's not like my whip topper. That was like, I think I got some gray hairs from that one. Okay, I saw this also in the store and it was at the cash. So they have a section at Michael's for like, if you have kids, I think this is really cute, or just a wife that you want to make an Easter basket for, or husband, but they have Easter basket stuffers and this was in there and these are so reasonable for how freaking cute they are. These are $4.99 American, $7.99 Canadian, but he was my favorite, the little chocolate one, the little chocolate bunny, and then there was a white bunny and a pink bunny, and I love the brown one. He's so sweet. Maybe we'll let Carl play. Oh no, if they have the glass eyes, I don't let him. But if I don't antagonize him with the toy, like if I don't, he won't touch it, which is, there's good things about Carl. I was gonna say there's few good things. There's a lot of good things about Carl, but that's one thing. He doesn't ruin toys. He doesn't chew up anything. He doesn't ruin well, unless he pees on it. But he doesn't ruin carpets. He doesn't ruin baseboards or anything like that. He's just a piece of work. And he knows he's fabulous. So I wanted to get some stuffing. So I got some of that like crinkle paper. What's it called? Crinkle grass. But I wanted pastels because the ones I have last year are like neon and they don't match with my vibe. Then I saw this, which was not part of the Easter section, but this is called Super Moss, but it looks like grass. We're coming up on my DIY idea. You'll see what we're gonna do. And we're gonna do a decorate with me. I'm decorating this weekend. I'm gonna watch Peter Rabbit. Carl just looked at me like, what? There's a Peter Rabbit 2 coming out in April, beginning of April. Peter Rabbit 2. I'm so excited, you don't even know. So this is my idea. This is one of the DIY ideas. So in my Rae Dunn mugs, obviously I'm not gonna use them all. Some of them are just for decorations. I was gonna use that grass, that Super Moss, and then they actually packaged everything super well today. And stick these are like a sparkly egg. Here's the crapshoot about ordering online. You don't get to choose your color, so I always just pray that the person that's packaging my content has a heart and doesn't give me 3 blue ones. But I don't think that they did. And so I'm gonna fill the mug with some moss. First I'm gonna fill it with like stuffing so that I don't use all my moss. Then the moss at the top, and then this like it's poking out of the grass. You'll be with me whenever I decorate. I'm super excited. Okay, so I got a blue one. I got 3 sparkly ones, and then I got 3, oh, this one is beautiful. The person that packaged this did have a heart. Thank you, person that packaged this. This one's like teal. Are you dying at the sparkle? Because I am. Okay, so I've got blue and teal, and then, yeah, this person's a hero. Oh wait, I think I just have a bunch of sparkly ones. I thought I ordered 3 patterned and 3 sparkle. Maybe it was 3 sparkle and 3 iridescent. That's kind of what it's looking like. The person literally gave me 6 different colors. This person is amazing. You guys, I love iridescent everything, and this is stunning. This one's like peach color. Seriously, person that packaged this, you are amazing. You cared. You went the extra mile when we are living in a world right now where I'm just gonna say it, people are not going the extra mile very much. They're used to Netflix and chilling and not doing a whole heck of a lot right now. Not everybody, but you guys know what I mean. Okay, so I think there's 3 iridescent. This person really this person cared. They knew that it was going to a good home. That's why. They're like, this person cares. This girl is on another level with her Easter eggs. So I really thought, okay, so these are more just like frosted. These aren't glittered, they're like frosty. So we've got a dark blue, a blue. This is gonna work, this is gonna work. Oh! Did I show you my, I think I left. Oh my gosh, I think I went to, no, okay, I thought I got it. My best friend got it for me. I got some epic Rae Dunn coming at me tomorrow. My best friend has become a Dunn hunter for me, and she got me like a yellow mug that says a little chick on it, and she got me a canister with a chicken on it. It's so cute. So this one's a frosted pink. So here's my idea. Maybe 3 or 2 in a mug, stuck in the mug with some moss coming out of it. And then the other 3, so they were buy one, get one, so I got 6, makes sense, right? So yeah, 3 or a dozen. Oh, I really would have liked to get some patterned ones. Oh well, we'll place another order. So you can get same day delivery with Michael's, which is sweet. So let me show you a couple of my pieces. Carl's trying to eat that carrot, and he's staring at the bunny. Where are you going? Okay, check this out. So I showed you, I never want to forget anything. Sometimes I end a video, I'm like, oh, I totally forgot. So I think I showed you guys all of these things, right? All of my little finds. I showed you this matte pink canister, love. I've got all of my Easter stuff lined up there. I have last year's bin here ready to go, which I'm going to go through very soon. I have got some squishmallows in here. Oh, I'm so excited. All the spring, all the bunnies. Oh, the sun is just setting. Look at that flare. Okay, then let's talk DIY. I ordered this. It is a roll, like rolls and rolls upon rolls of turf. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to cut a rectangle. We're switching up the bar cart. I'm so excited. This white tray that is always a part of my bar cart decor is coming off. It might go on the second tier. The top tier is gonna be wiped clean, and I'm going to cut a section of turf. So the top is literally like grass, like spring, and then we have flowers poking out of it and eggs. Right? You got to see it to believe it, but I feel like you guys are like, yes, girl. And anybody could do that. Just buy a roll of turf and cut it to how you want to cut it. And if I have extra, I think I'm going to do the same thing on, see how I have that little tray on the coffee table? I'm going to cut it to the form of that tray. And if I have more, I could do a little one here, and I could cut a circular one for the tiered tray. I'm so excited. It's like an evil laugh. Okay, let me show you. So yeah, the yellow stuff. Yeah, the yellow stuff is coming, and it's like the chicken canister. So cute, like the little chick. So I shared this on my stories really quickly, but I found some holy grail things today. So this does not even need to be talked about, but we got this because it was a huge container and it's natural, and it's a stain and odor remover. I love the pet section at at Winners. So Winners is in Canada. If you are Canadian and you have been in a drought of Rae Dunn, I've got you. You're about to die. Look at this, baby pink with gold writing for Easter, a little egg-shaped plate. Andre wanted candy, so we compromised and I got candy for decorations. They're like little eggs, but they're sour candies, which I thought was really cute. By the way, today feels like the first day of spring. It's sunny, the snow almost all melted. The kids are playing in the street, playing jump rope. I'm like, all the vibes. Andre and I might walk to dinner. I'm so excited. Okay. Look, I've never seen anything like this. This is like a frosted wine glass. This was $9.99. Stemless wine glass set of 2. Honey bunny. Now, could this go in the dishwasher? Absolutely not. I don't think there's any way this would survive the dishwasher. But it's like a silver writing on it, and it's like, oh, maybe it's etched. Listen, we're not gonna test it out. Andre hates whenever I buy things that can't go in the dishwasher. That's why he usually supports my Rae Dunn mugs, because they can, but that I don't think so. And this either. It's like a not a stencil, but you know what I'm talking about. This, so you know how I do like the summer lemons with the, oh my gosh, and my other friend, Kelly, got me such a good Rae Dunn find. I turned all my friends into Dunn hunters. This is horrible. She got me a lemonade pitcher and it's yellow and it's coming. I wasn't supposed to share it, but I'm so excited. So this is to go with the whole lemon and honey theme, and so it says happy spring. So that's gonna be kept for later. I feel like I did so good. I love sharing all this stuff with you guys. I'm so excited to decorate this weekend, and I'm gonna share all of the things with you guys as soon as possible. And like I said, I will link everything down below. If you guys enjoyed this, definitely give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed. Go follow along on Instagram as well, because I share all the behind the scenes. And I feel like if you love the real raw vlogs, you'll like my stories then, because it's even more real raw. All right, I love you guys. Bye, dudes.
I don't really need new friends, so spend your time with me. Looking for someone who can play though, wanna hang with me.